What's up, guys? Back again with the Wltoys 1440-01. This car is insane, man. I went brushless on this bad boy. This thing is sick. I put some lights on this, so if you haven't seen any of my videos on this thing, check it out, man. This thing is awesome. Only issue I have is the wheels. You know what I mean? I'm all about looks as much as I am performance with my RC vehicles and stuff, right? I never really liked these from the get-go, man. Never really liked them. I just don't like the look. That's just me. Other people may like them, but I don't. But they're not bad. They perform all right, I guess, but don't really like them. So I went and ordered these. All right, let's check this out, man. It's a little smaller than the stock wheels. And let's see, it's a little thinner, but I think they have enough grip on them. I mean, it seems that way. I mean, these are budget wheels. These are budget. So I'm just gonna test them out and see. But they're not pre-glued, which is annoying. So I'm gonna glue these on, throw them on the car, so we can see how it looks. Well, what do you think, guys? I think they look awesome, man. Look at that. A lot nicer than the stock ones. But are they any good? We will see. In a couple days, I'm gonna test run these things. I mean, they are cheap rims and tires, so you know, we'll see. But it does look a lot better than these ones. These ones always bugged me. All right. See you guys in the next video. I'm gonna test these in a couple days. All right? Later, guys.